You asked for more, so here we go. Duet this and let's see what you've got. 4 scripts in less than a minute. This is the Pinoy Street Vendor Voiceover Challenge. Starting now.
Hot, sizzling charcoal grilled barbecue. Too hot for hell and too satisfying for heaven. Come to Ligaya's Barbecue Station. We're waiting for you. Kakayanin mo bang malaking bird? O baka naman maliit lang kaya mong kainin? Dito sa balot ni Kuya Tolits, kahit ano pang laki ng sisiw ang kaya mo, ibibigay namin sa'yo. Hanggang mapasigaw ka ng balot! Lola Nena's halo-halo has all the flavors you could possibly want. From leche flan to langka, to makapuno and nata de coco. Experience the sweet flavor bomb only at Lola Nena's. Ayaw mo pa sa mambobola? Dito pa na sa hindi paasa. Sa fishball ni Dodong, tunay na tunay ang lasa. Kaya kay Dodong, magtiwala ka. Fishball ni Dodong is located at JP Laurel Avenue, corner Santa Ana Avenue. All rights reserved for 2021.